Niggas is nothing without pussy. Niggas is nothing without pussy. Niggas is nothing with. Niggas is nothing without. I'm to hear me, not to hear me. Niggas is nothing without. Nigga. Don't enter. Fear me if you fear me. Niggas is nothing. A gaping black hole swallowed my totem pole. My nose was open. I sensed a wet path that led tomorrow and chose to follow my addiction. It got me sucked and swallowed into a warm and hollow pocket dimension. My modest ascension got at attention. She weeps. She wallows. I'm going nuts. She got guts. All these hoes just want to get fucked. Seems like you niggas just want to get fucked too. Fuck you. Niggas is nothing without. Niggas is nothing. I'm to hear me, not to hear me. Niggas is nothing without pussy. Don't interfere me if you fear me. Niggas is nothing. Doors open at 6:45. What's 6 next to 4 plus 5? That's the code. Enter when you decide. But when you come inside, don't close your eyes. Read the signs. Welcome to hell. Redesign. Welcome to hell. Redesign. Welcome to hell. Redesign. Welcome to hell. She wished his well to fill her pail. He sipped her grail. She lifts her spell. The prophet fell in love with Jazzy's bell. Niggas is. Niggas. This is facts, bro. I be rocking shit. My rocket ship's attracted to black holes. I'm like Donkey Kong with the barrel gun. The barrel on this gun can spit mackerels. She heard that, then asked, is that so? Gave her a love tap with the backhand to the face because she was talking smack. This is a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, I have something for you indoors. Endure as I implore while you implore like a little whore. The pain is a distraction. It's so that you can ignore what happens after I land my semen. Waterfalls.